Why integrate your fitness apps?
Using multiple fitness apps can splinter your workout data across different platforms. Integrating them allows you to see your steps, workouts, nutrition, and progress in one convenient place. This centralized tracking helps you set better goals, notice trends, and stay motivated as you watch your complete fitness journey unfold.
Choosing compatible fitness apps.
Start by checking if your fitness apps are compatible with integration platforms like Apple Health, Google Fit, or third-party apps like MyFitnessPal. Many apps list supported integrations in their settings. Prioritize apps that openly share data and support automatic syncing for a smoother experience.
Setting up sync across platforms.
Connect your apps by linking them to a central platform, such as Apple Health or Google Fit. Within each app's settings, search for the Connect or Link option and follow prompts to grant necessary permissions. This usually requires signing in and authorizing data sharing for seamless synchronization.
Troubleshooting common sync issues.
If syncing isn't working, double-check each app's settings and permissions. Make sure you're using the latest version of the apps. Check for any manual refresh or sync button within the platform. Sometimes, logging out and back in or reinstalling the app resolves persistent issues.
Maximizing insights from integrated data.
Once your apps are synced, explore the combined data. Look for trends in how workouts impact your sleep, calories, or heart rate. Use dashboards or reports to set informed fitness goals and track overall health improvements. Integrated tracking makes it easier to see the bigger picture and celebrate your progress.